During this segment of Mastering Concrete Engraving, we will be reviewing the basics of concrete staining. We will focus on two types of stains in this segment. Concrete Resurrection Water Reducible Concentrate Stain, we will refer to this as Water Reducible Stain going forward, and Concrete Resurrection Reactive Acid Chemical Stain. We will refer to this as RAC stain going forward. Staining is half of the art of decorative concrete engraving. Stains give color, life, and vibrance to traditionally bland concrete surfaces. There are nearly limitless potentials in color, and you are encouraged to experiment with dilution ratios and color blends to the limits of your creative interest. Be sure to have fun and play. Always remember RAC stains react differently with each surface, dependent on the age, mix, and source of the concrete. Be sure to explain this fact to your customers, as it is possible the color the stain creates on any one piece of concrete may not be an exact match to the color chart you presented. We strongly recommend that you take the time to read the technical data sheets and instructions that are given out by the manufacturer of the product you are using, preferably before you begin the project. Please be sure to wear all proper protective gear whenever you are working with stains and sealers. Protective gear includes, and is not limited to, goggles, a face shield, skin protection, and respiratory protection. We recommend that you have the following tools and supplies on hand for your staining project: masking supplies, airless sprayers, pump sprayers, natural bristle brushes, foam brushes, rags, mixing supplies, latex gloves, safety respirator, safety goggles and glasses, distilled water, stirring sticks, mixing cups, and preferably natural sea sponges. Spraying on Concrete Resurrection Water Reducible Concentrate Stain. Notice the blue icon on the right-hand side of your screen. It indicates the video is showing use of this specific product. Let's start staining with a single color. With one color, we recommend using a pump sprayer. This is a simple way to apply stain to a large area quickly. Be sure to mask off any surrounding area or object. Do not forget vegetation. The size of the sprayer needed depends on the size of the area. For projects under 800 square feet, the Engrave-A-Crete 2-quart pump sprayer is an ideal tool. When projects are larger, we suggest you use a 3-gallon pump sprayer. Other equipment that can be used are airless and HVLP sprayers. These will allow you to apply the water reducible concentrate in a very fine spray. Concrete Resurrection Water Reducible Concentrate Stain is very versatile. In order to achieve colors indicated on the color chart, dilute 4 parts distilled water to 1 part concentrate. For a very transparent or faint appearance, dilute 8 parts distilled water to 1 part concentrate. After appropriate mixing, the stain should be strained into the sprayer. To protect our equipment and work, we strain everything we put into our sprayers. As you can see, the application process is simple. It is always best to apply a thin coat and add additional coats to increase color intensity. Variations in mottling can be achieved with broad and inconsistent spray patterns. Multiple colors can be applied in multiple ways: simultaneously, wet on dry, or wet on wet. Each of these approaches will create different effects for color, shadowing, and color transitioning. If you use 2 sprayers with 2 colors simultaneously, the colors mix to create a distinctive effect. If you apply a second color on wet stain, the color mix will be reduced. If you apply a second color coat on dry stain, shadows and transition can be easily controlled and effects are immediately visible. Remember, you can blend different colors to create your own unique color.